Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can tag you in their videos on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy, and now click mentions and tags, and now click tags, and you just click no one, and you're gonna make no one can tag you in their videos on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.